Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Star Wars character. This time it's gonna be Zorii Bliss. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna start out with the visor area first. So we're gonna draw one line across. And then from the corners, just come down. And then once you're at this little bracket, come back to the center, just come down. You can make a little point, and then I'm just gonna add one little curve like this first. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna draw one big curve, connecting from this corner to all the way down here. So just curve in, so same thing here. So these big curves could be a little bit tricky to draw. Okay, and then from here, this one's easier, just come straight down and then close it off. So this is gonna be the mouth area. And then inside here, I'm just gonna add two little rectangles. Okay, so now let's come back up here and finish up the rest of the helmet. So I'm gonna start right here. I'm gonna draw one line coming down. I'm gonna stop right around here. Come up here, just come down. So stop right around here. And then from this corner, I'm just gonna connect to this. So a straight line. That's gonna give us the bottom of the helmet. And then from the top here, we're gonna curve this up. So just a rounded corner, and then on the top here, just close it off. And then on the center, let's just add one little peak there. Okay, so that's gonna be the overall shape of the helmet. So on the bottom here, to add some detail, just draw two lines. And then from here, I'm gonna follow this curve and just go all the way out. Okay, and then right here in the corner, just gonna add a little angle here just for some extra details. And then right here, you make two little dots here first, and then I'll just go up, just curve it up. Alright, so that's the head, and then now for the body. Here's your neck here. I'm just gonna draw two lines and close it off with a curve. And then for shoulders, start back up here, just go all the way across. And then one big curve going all the way around. Okay, and then now for the body, right here I'm gonna come down. So this is gonna be your armpit right here. Now I'm gonna pinch it in. It's gonna be a waist, and let's just close that off first. Let's add one section here for a belt. And then right in the middle, I'm just gonna add a little oval here. That's gonna be the belt buckle. Okay, and then on the inside here, just draw one little bar. That's gonna be gold colored. And then for the chest area, we can add from the armpit, just draw one little curve coming down. Okay, so now let's draw in the arms, and yeah, the rest of the body is pretty easy, just the hands a little bit tricky. Okay, so here's the armpit. From here, just come down. Shoulders, and then for the bicep, just kind of keep going down, and here's your elbow. I'll flare out slightly, and then I'm gonna pinch it back in. It's a little bit skinnier down here. So right around here, and then I'll just close it off. Okay, so let's draw on the other side, and then we'll draw on the arms, the hands. So here's the armpit again. Come down. Here's the bicep from the armpit. Just keep going down. Elbow. Flare out. Pinch it in and then close it off. Okay, and then for the details right here, just add one line right at the angle right here. And then from the armpit, 2 lines. That's gonna be gold color right here. And then same thing here, but this one's gonna be smaller. Okay, and then now for the hand, so she's gonna be holding those pistols. So right here, I'm gonna draw in her thumb, just come down, and then curve it back up first. And then once you have this curve right here, just extend the line, just draw like a little rectangle, kind of like a odd angle right here. And then in here, I'm gonna add in 2 lines, so that's gonna be the fingers. So she's gripping the pistol right here. So right in the center of this line, I'm gonna go out. Okay, come across, and then we're gonna tuck it back in toward this point here. So that's gonna be the, I guess the handle for the pistol. And then for the pistol itself, so this one's a little bit easier. From this 2 point here, we'll just go out. We'll extend this one a little bit longer. Okay, on this side right here, slant. And then now we just come down and extend that and close everything off. Okay, and then for the trigger right here, and then I'm just gonna add one little oval inside for the other finger. And if you have any space here, just close that off. Okay, so let's draw the same thing on the other side. So here's her thumb coming down, just kind of hook it back up. And then from this point here, just slant up and draw a little rectangle. 2 lines inside. Okay, so same thing here. From the middle of this, just come out, up, and then curve this back to the thumb area. Okay, yeah, it gets a little bit easier the second time, right? Well, hopefully. So now we'll come down to the bar, extend this one, slant up, and then finish up the barrel. Okay, and then for the trigger right here, there's one little curve and then a little egg shape inside for the other finger. Okay, so that's the toughest part, and then now let's finish up the legs. So right here in the center, just come down, make a little mark. Just curve down, back to the center here. And for a knee, just 2 little lines come down. So let's draw on the other side first before we join the lower legs. So right here, curve. Same thing here. And then again, the knee. Okay, so we're gonna flare this out, the lower legs. And we can actually close that off first. And then now we're gonna pinch it in, so nice and skinny here. Close it off. And for a foot, so curve out a little bit more on this side. Close it. And then for the very tip here, in the center, just go up and then just go out. Okay, so same thing here. We're gonna flare out, close it off. Let's pinch it in, nice and skinny here. Just use the other side for reference. Curve, come out a little bit more. Close it off. Center of this, just go up and then just go out. Okay, so that's the overall shape, and then now for the little details inside. So this one's a little bit easier. It's got a strap right here on both sides for the holster. And then on this side right here, on this corner, go out, go up, draw a shorter curve, so that's one strap. And then we're gonna start on this side, and this one's gonna go behind this, so we're gonna continue this behind the other strap. And then same thing here. And then lastly here for the holster, this one's easy, just come out. Just draw a little bracket right on the outside of the thighs. And that is it for this Zorii. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.